and the best DM in the world, Caicedo. Moses Caicedo, best DM, better than Casemiro, better than Ugarte, better than Declan Rice, better than Thomas Partey. Casemiro, better than Casemiro, Thomas Partey, better than Thomas Partey. Moses Caicedo, the best DM in the Premier League, the best DM in European football. Guys, I put, yes, the general midfielder, the one who pocketed Sobolozai, the one who pocketed Endo, the one who pocketed McAllister, who is called the man himself, Moses Caicedo. God will bless you, Moses Caicedo. In fact, Chelsea should go and pay another 100 million to Brighton. We scam Brighton by paying 150 million for Moses Caicedo. Caicedo is 1 billion player. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, the most important game, the crucial game, Chelsea journey to make top 4 this season continue against Newcastle. The game which is bigger and important like Champions League final. The game which is bigger and important like World Cup final. The game which is bigger and important like AFCON final. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the preview of Newcastle and Chelsea game. It will be away for Chelsea and home for Newcastle. So this is the preview, and at the end of this video, I'm going to give you my starting 11, my score prediction, my analysis for this game. So please watch this video till the end. Let's do the analysis together. Let's do the discussion together. And don't forget to do what? Hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more people on the YouTube algorithm. Yes. And guys, let's look at players who are available and players who are not available for this game. From Enzo Maresca, yes. I think McGui is back. Yes. Lavia is available. He wasn't injured. It was just a pains. Yes. Reece James, Caicedo. Yes, these players during the Conference League, the midweek, they didn't play. So when we look at our first 11, everybody is back. Everybody is available for this game. So for that matter, no absenteeism. Yes. And let's come to this game analysis, guys. Newcastle, Chelsea, St. James Park. St. James Park. Yes. One thing I don't like about this Newcastle team, guys, their energy, their physicality. There are 50-50 battles. This Newcastle team, when we come to the energy, the physicality aspect, they are good on that. So they themselves, they know that that is their strongest point. So when they are playing against any team, they show it. Yes, they use that to bully you in order to get the results and get the win. So this game, Newcastle will come with that physicality, that their strongness, that their energy, trying to bully Chelsea, yes, in order to win this game. Because they are also looking for the same thing Chelsea were also looking for. Top 4. Last season, they played Champions League, or this season, but they didn't move further. They played Champions League, so they enjoy playing Champions League. They know how it is sweet and palatable to play Champions League football. So they will come with a mentality to win. And also, it is their home. So they will have the upper hand. Yes, Chelsea were good, beating Liverpool. Yes, won our last previous 3 games. We are coming to this game with a winning mentality, a winning run. So Chelsea were good. But this Newcastle team, their home, everything will be in favor of them. Their fans, their park, their ball, their everything. So Chelsea, we are not going to get it easy. I can even say that this game will be difficult more than the game against Liverpool, our Liverpool game, because that game, it was open, yes. And even Arne Slot bench some of his first starting 11 players. By the way, Chelsea, we deserve everything, all the credit, we won, yes. But what I'm trying to say here is that Newcastle will start all their first 11 players, all their informed players. They are not going to take this game for joke. No. They are not going to play with this game. They will come into this game with fire for fire, just to win. So this game, the intensity will be there from Newcastle. The energy will be there from Newcastle. So what should Chelsea do in this game? Chelsea should also approach this game with that intensity, especially the midfield. Newcastle, their midfield is good. Their attack is good. We'll come to that. Their attack is good. So this game, Caicedo, Enzo Fernandez off the ball, they should do more work. When Chelsea doesn't have the ball, they should make it uncomfortable and difficult for Newcastle to do the passing. They should press them. Our defense, our midfield, as I said, and our attack, they should show the intensity in this game, because as I said, Newcastle, they have the strongness, they have the physicality, and they have the energy, yes, to win this game. And also, guys, their attack, as we all knew, the striker we're interested to sign, yes, Isak, the guy is a finisher. Complete, like he is a complete striker. When he see the goal, when he see the pool, he makes sure that he put the ball at the back of the net. So they have a very good striker, Isak, and their attack, their wings, Anthony Gordon and co, they are also good. They are clinical. They know how to dribble. Yes, they can create chances, spaces for other players to score. So for that matter, our defense, Cucurella, yes, especially Cucurella side, they will try to use it, or the right back side. Whether James will start or Augusto will start will come to my starting 11. So please continue watching this video till the end. Yes, they will try to use the wings to cross the ball for Isak to score. And as we all knew that Isak is good, the guy is won't come to finish it. He is superb, super good. So you see our full backs, our center backs, they have a lot of work to do in this game. Whether Chalobah, Tosin, Badiashile, who is going to start, they have a lot of work to do in this game. And our fullbacks and our midfield, they must show intensity. And our attack, they must convert their chances. The last game, Justin didn't play well. Yes, I'm telling you, the last game against Liverpool, we didn't see Justin in that game. So this game, we want to see Justin. Even if Justin will not score or can't score, he must do as always, create the spaces, take on his direct runs, and create spaces for Neto and co, Cole Palmer and co to be able to score. Yes, so guys, you see this game, it will start with tactics. This game will start with managers or the coaches' tactics, but it will not end with tactics. It will end with a team or the team who want it more. This game will end with a team who want it more, especially the time of the season we are now. Tactics doesn't matter. As we are speaking now, just make sure that you get the 3 points. Yes, at this part of this season, 3 points, even goals doesn't matter. If you can score 1 goal and win the game, you are good to go. If you can score 2 or 3 goals and win the game, you are good to go. At the end of the day, just make sure that you score your 3 goals and go. Get your points and go. Yes. So this game, Newcastle will come with power. So as I said, at the end of the day, a team who want it more will win, and not a team with a good manager or a good tactics, because the game is going to end with a team who want it more. So guys, this is my analysis for this game. If Chelsea want to win this game comfortable, who want it more? And I know Chelsea, now we are not even playing Maresca football. The guys are no more playing Enzo Maresca football. Now they are moving the ball quick, fast. Yes, they want to win. They want to play Champions League football next season. So for me, I know that Chelsea, we want it more. We will show power. We will show the desire. We will show the enthusiasm and the zeal to win. So I know Chelsea we are winning this game, because now our players are showing that desire, that pressure, that winning mentality. So at the end of the day, this is why I believe Chelsea will win this game, because a team who want it more will win this game, as I said. And Chelsea, as we are now seeing this, our Chelsea, we want it more. We want to make top 4. We want to play Champions League next season. So guys, this is my analysis for this game. Let me hear from you under the comment section. Yes, your opinion, your thought about this game. How can Chelsea approach this game to win it? But just to remind you again, guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. Your score prediction, yes, for this game. After the game, the review, I will come here and mention your name, mention your score prediction on the screen to see whether you suggested right for the investors. Yes, to see whether you get the score prediction right or not. Yes. So guys, please let me hear from you under the comment section your score prediction for this game. Yes. And let's come to the starting 11. My starting 11 for this game, I start Sanchez as usual. Maresca cannot bench him because Maresca is dating Sanchez's sister, as we all knew. Yes. And the two center backs, Chalobah and Liverpool, the same full backs or the same center backs as the Liverpool game. And the left back position, Almighty Cucurella, the informed Cucurella, the best left back in European football as we are speaking now. Not England, not Premier League, across Europe, across the world, not Europe, across the world. Cucurella is the best and the best and the best and the best and the best. You can't compare. Who? Ben White? Who? Carvajal? Okay, mention any left back. You think who can compete with Cucurella? Nobody. And the right back position, the almighty Reece James, the quality Reece James. Yes. So some of us, we don't know the reason why Enzo Maresca is playing Reece James in the midfield. For me, I'm seeing something. I don't want to say, but let me say it small. In fact, it looks like now Chelsea want to sell Reece James. That is why Enzo Maresca is now playing out of position. It seems like Chelsea is now sending a message to James that, like, he's no more part of the plans or the project. That is my opinion. Not from Chelsea camp, I'm saying this. I am seeing it that way. Chelsea want to sell him in the future. Yes, you knew this, our owners. When it comes to selling academy players, they are good on that to make pure profit. That is the sense or the signal I'm getting. Yes, trying to remove James from the project or from the starting 11. So if Chelsea can survive, they will go ahead and sell him. By the way, that is my opinion, as I said. So the right back position, I'll start James. I know Enzo Maresca may start Caicedo in that position as the Liverpool game. And the midfield, yes, the best partnership, Enzo Fernandez and Moses Caicedo. This season, Enzo Fernandez is scoring goals for fun. And that is what we want as a midfielder. Make sure that you add goals to your name. You add goals to your number. And the best DM in the world, Caicedo. Moses Caicedo, best DM, better than Casemiro, better than Ugarte, better than Declan Rice, better than Thomas Partey. Casemiro, better than Casemiro, Thomas Partey, better than Thomas Partey. Moses Caicedo, the best DM in the Premier League, the best DM in European football. Guys, I put, yes, the general midfielder, the one who pocketed Sobolozai, the one who pocketed Endo, the one who pocketed McAllister, who is called the man himself, Moses Caicedo. God will bless you, Moses Caicedo. In fact, Chelsea should go and pay another 100 million to Brighton. We scam Brighton by paying 150 million for Moses Caicedo. Caicedo is 1 billion player. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't want this video to be long. Let's move on to the right wing position. The right wing position, I start the energetic, the physicality NATO. Yes. The crosser, the goal scorer, the dribbler. Yes. The chances creator NATO. And the left wing position, I start the selfish Madueke. The man who always wants to be scoring by himself. The man who thinks that football is only played by one man. The man who thinks that he can do it alone. Madueke. And yes, we know that sometimes he wants to play by himself, score by, but sometimes he also good on holding the ball. Yes, doing his dribbling into the opposition box, creating chances. Yes, Madueke performance this season, I would say 50-50. Yes, because already this season he scored hat-trick. Yes, Premier League hat-trick. Rashford, in his entire career as a Premier League player, he never scored hat-trick. So, Madueke, this season he performed. But there are some games he need to release the ball on time. That is his problem. And the attacking area, almighty Cole Palmer. Yes, the best attacking midfielder in the Premier League. Yes, Charlie, when I see Cole Palmer passes, like I can't compare it to anybody. Maybe the player I will compare Cole Palmer passes, his decision making is maybe Toni Kroos. I'm telling you. See, I know this is the reason why Madrid want to sign him or Madrid is chasing. And no way, he's not going nowhere. Cole Palmer is not. See, even if Cole Palmer will not score, but his contribution into our games recently are super insane. His decision making on the passes, his kicks, Charlie. Cole Palmer is a wonderful footballer, I'm telling you. And the striking position, almighty Nicolas Jackson. Yes, the best striker in the world. Yes, better than Nunes, better than Isak, better than Benzema. The best striker, Nicolas. Please, Nicolas Jackson, please play well in this game, okay? That Liverpool game, you didn't play well. So, guys, that is my starting 11 for this game. Let me hear from you under the comment section. Your starting 11 and my score prediction. I would say Chelsea 3, Newcastle 1, Chelsea 3. Newcastle 1, Chelsea 3. This game, the second half, Chelsea were scoring 2 goals. The first half, 1 goal. I see Palmer scoring and Jackson scoring, and maybe Neto or Enzo. Yes. So, guys, that is my score prediction. Yes. When the review is about to come, I will also remember my score prediction and see whether I also get it right or not. So let me hear from you under the comment section. Yes, after the game, the review, I will come here with your score predictions. Yes, to see whether you get it right or not. So please let me hear from you your opinion about this game. And our podcast is coming. Yes, we are going to do more in-depth super analysis. Yes, for this game, because as I said, this game is like a World Cup final. This game is like AFCON final between Ghana and Nigeria, and Ghana win. Yes. So guys, take care. Peace.